Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do is take a center section down the middle of the back so that we can establish our outline. And I'm taking two A-line sections so that we can comb that first section down and basically create the new outline. Basically, we're going to bring up the length, and that new length is going to be our new outline. So you can see right there, I'm cutting in that new outline. And once I've cut the outline in, we're going to do some frame-to-face layering and some layering throughout the rest of the interior haircut. So right there, I'm just taking the hair, combing it down, holding it with my hand and the comb on my model's back, and then cutting that outline. Right now I'm taking another A-line section, combing that section down, and then using that previous section, that underneath section, as the guide to know how short to cut this section. So I'm going to carry on cutting the rest of the length, and once the length is done, we will start the layering. Alright, so now that the left side is all complete, it is now time to do the right side. You can see I'm combing the hair down, and not a whole lot to explain, holding the hair flat against my model's back using my comb and my hand, and basically just cutting in that outline. So, now that the outline's all done, it is now time to do some frame-to-face layering. You can see I'm combing that hair straight down, holding the hair in my hand, and basically just cutting the shape of the frame-to-face layering that I'm going for. So, I'm going to do the layering on the right side. Once I'm done on the right side, I'll do the frame-to-face layering on the left side, and then we will address the interior layering throughout the rest of the haircut. So now I am doing the frame-to-face layering on the left side. No, not a whole lot to explain. Once it's done, we will address the interior layers to lighten it up. Okay, it is now time to do the interior layers. So you can see I've got a center section in the middle of the back. I'm combing that hair straight back and cutting that very first section of layering. That's going to be the guide for the rest of the haircut. So now I'm taking another section and I'm over-directing to the previous section. And right there, I am basically just cutting the layers on the left side. And I'm going to work my way all the way to the front, over-directing back to the previous section. Once we've got the layering done on the left side, we'll do the same thing on the right side. Then we'll blow dry, cut the fringe, or in America, we call it cut the bangs. In England, where I trained, where I actually established my foundation and my background in the hair fashion world, they call it fringe in London. I lived in London, and so specifically to London, but in England they call it the fringe, and here in America we call it the bang. So anyways, we'll cut the bang, and then we will wrap up the haircut. Alright, so now we're cutting the layers on the right side. Again, combing them back, over-directing to the previous section. And once we are complete, as far as cutting the layers on the right side, we'll blow dry it, cut the bangs, and wrap it all up. So now the hair has been dried, and I am going to cut the bangs. You can see I'm just simply holding the hair in my comb to establish that outline right there. And then I like to kind of freehand to clean it up. So once we've cut the bangs, we'll pretty much be done with the haircut. You can see right here, I'm lifting the bangs so I can layer the bangs to lighten the bangs to not make them as thick and heavy so that they're going to be a lot more lighter. Alright, so we are all done with this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out how light those layers look, bringing volume to the hair. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.